In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi K70, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then tap on Google. When you're ready, select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current screen lock. Then tap on this eye next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!